Should you want to edit a group, which is going to hold a bunch of recipes, say for instance toasted sandwiches, again, we go into this bottom button here, press on the settings and input the password, 456789. Once we tick on it, we can then go into editing the groups. Here we can add extra groups, or we can get rid of certain groups should we want to. So we can delete them. We can also add extra ones, giving it a title. And this will be able to make sure that all of your recipes are in the right place. If you need to change an actual recipe, we'll go into the edit recipe button. We've already talked about changing the parameters, but now we can add a recipe. So here we've got the chance to be able to add a different recipe. So we will call this toast. We will say yes to it. We can assign it a picture or a letter. We can decide where the unit will place it. I'm going to choose to place it at the end. And then now when we go in there, we'll be able to change that particular recipe. So if I go into toast, I can tap on my toast recipe, and here we can write the stages. So if I click on stage 1, all I've got to do is decide how much colour I want. So that's going to be the impingement at the top. Well, it's toast and I want it to brown quite rapidly. So I'm going to go to 90%. Then I get to choose how much microwave. Now it's only a small piece of toast, so I only want about 10%, nothing more. You can choose to have microwave off, or you can choose to have impingement off at any time. Temperature, I'm happy with. I'm set at 270, so I'm happy with that. Time-wise, I'm going to set that for 49 seconds. And then when I'm ready to save, I save it. And that is now my recipe all in there. If I needed to add another stage, I would just tap on the next stage and add in whatever particular time was needed. And then I would just save it, and that will now save both parts of the recipe. Now when I come out and go into my house button, when I go into here, my toast recipe is all ready for me to use.